This video is continued from the last one that we did, where we were working on an iPhone 6 Plus, a water-damaged iPhone 6 Plus. We detected a short circuit using a FLIR cam on the VCC line. So we removed the shorted capacitor. After we changed the display IC, we still did not get an image, but the phone was recognized by iTunes, which is good. So the short that we removed made the phone work again, and that's why it was recognized by iTunes. We had an order for display ICs and it arrived yesterday. Everything in this box here. Right, so we have a lot. If you also noticed, I took off the camera and flash booster IC because I found some corrosion under it and I did not want anything to prevent the phone from turning on. So I took it off. We can put it back on easily. Right now, after I put the new display IC on, and let's plug the phone in. Okay, and the phone turns on. So two things were wrong with the phone: the display IC and a short on VCC main. And the shorted component that we took off is this capacitor. If you remember this from the last video, it's the capacitor that goes right over here. So we took this out to remove the short. And right here. Right, so we have actually about 7 iPhones that we need to work on, and I'll try to do a video for every one of them if possible. Okay, so we have one here, no power at all. We'll see what's going on with this one. Touch IC problem. This is an iPhone 6s, and this does not power on. This one here is liquid damage. Liquid damage, data recovery. So we'll do as much as we can on video. And we also have a lot of MacBooks that we want to go over. Today is like the MacBook and iMac day. Over 12 pieces came in, and I'm truly overwhelmed with how I'm going to finish everything in a short period of time. Let's take a look. This is a Lenovo that we need to change the screen on. This is the Yoga 710. We have an iMac with a bad screen here. I'm sorry, we have a MacBook Pro 2015 with a bad screen. We have a water damaged MacBook that we will be working on. We have another 2017 MacBook that's water damaged. We have this older iMac. Believe it or not, the customer wanted this fixed. It costed the customer more than the price of the computer, but he still wants it to be fixed. Do not argue with the customer. There's a very strange problem with this iMac. It turns on and everything works perfect, but at times if you try to power it on, it doesn't turn on. So we'll see what's going on with that one. We have a water damaged MacBook Air here, and this is severely damaged. I mean, corrosion and rust is everywhere on this board. And we have this one here. We have another iMac 27-inch down on the floor. This one here, there's an EFI password, a BIOS password. The only way to reset the password is to change the EFI IC. So that's what we will be doing. I'll probably do it on camera. 6S, Wi-Fi issue. Samsung tablet that doesn't power on. A lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff. I do not know how much I can cover on video. So we'll see. All right, so let's move on to fixing the 6S Plus, and I'll see you in the next video.